Today we're going to bake cookies with or without using your oven. Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. My name is Lynn, and if today being your first time on this channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. Kindly do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell also, so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Let's get started. Alright, so for this cookies recipe, we're going to be needing our butter, and I'm using all-purpose margarine or butter for this recipe. Moving forward, I'm also going to be using my granulated sugar. You can as well use the icing sugar, and trust me, it works better. Next, I'm going to be going in with some powdered milk. You can as well use any milk of your choice, okay? So moving forward, I'll go in with my manual hand mixer, and I'll be mixing everything together until the sugar dissolves beautifully, and also the butter becomes more creamy and very soft as well. So now let's mix until we reach the perfect consistency. While that is going on, if you haven't still liked this video, please do well to like this video, comment down below, and please do share as well. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after getting the perfect consistency, I'll go in with my all-purpose flour. You can as well use plain flour for this recipe if that is what you have, okay? Mix everything beautifully until you reach the perfect consistency. For these cookies, no need making your batter very watery. We want the dough to really come out from the bowl very nicely, just the way you see it on your screens right now. And at this point, this is the perfect dough that I'll be going for. So next, I'm going to be using my rolling pin to roll out the dough very nicely, just the way you see it on your screens right now. So now let's roll out the dough until I get the perfect size that I'll be going for. Alright, so after rolling out the dough to get the perfect size, I'll be using any object around me that I can use to cut or to create beautiful shapes with these cookies, okay? You can also use any object of your choice. Whilst that is going on, let me use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you for always liking my video, sharing and commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after getting the perfect shapes just like this, I'm going to line them beautifully on my baking tray, and I've brushed my baking tray with some butter to prevent my cookies from sticking after baking, okay? So after lining them beautifully on my baking tray like this, I used my fork to create that small beautiful holes that we normally see on cookies, but unfortunately I lost the clips. So now let's bake this in the oven until it is nice and ready. Moving forward, I'm also going to be showing you the second method on how you can bake your cookies on your stove top. So for the second method, all you need is your cooking pot, something that can create a barrier between the pot and where you're going to bake your cookies. And I'm also going to bake these cookies in my cake pan. So I'm going to brush a little bit of butter as well in the cake pan to prevent the cookies sticking into the cake pan whilst we're baking it, okay? Alright, so next I'm going to be arranging about 6 or 7 cookies in my cake pan. Next, I'm going to be using my fork to create that beautiful small holes that we normally see on our cookie. I will cover it and allow it to cook or bake on the stove top for about 10 to 15 minutes on a low medium heat. And please make sure to keep an eye on it so that your cookies will turn out beautifully. I nearly forgot this one, so I almost got this one bent, but here we move. So I'll just flip it over after about 5 to 6 minutes on a low medium heat, and repeat the same process on a low medium heat again until the cookies is nice and ready, just like this. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this cookies on stovetop recipe. It came out so good, and I hope you're going to try. If you don't have an oven or an air fryer, trust me, you can also bake your own cookies on stovetop as well. I love how crispy it turned out. It has really baked very well, and for the taste as well, it was so delicious. And now let's see the difference between the oven baked cookies and the stovetop as well. I love both method, and I will definitely recommend both as well. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Kindly do subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you for watching.